Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to our website. If you're on YouTube, click the link below to head over to the website at ourbestidea.com. Internet marketing that works. My name is Mark. I've been living in the south of Thailand since 2004. All right, great to see you here. You've completed the 3 easy steps. They're all done, right? On video 1. So next, we got to go to video 2. And again, there's some 3 easy steps. At the end, I threw in some bonuses or stuff I've set up that even makes the job easier for you depending on yourself. So the next recommended steps, again, try to complete this in 2 to 5 hours maximum. And that's the same reason. It's simple stuff, so don't overcomplicate it. And let's get started. Okay, so we recommend, we got this extra step, make it a secure HTTPS site, which is not only good for Google, but it makes it secure and adds trust to your customers to use it for PayPal or credit card. And also, at the time of this recording, Google has said no to unsecured pages, right? So if you only got an HTTP page in Chrome, they're going to say not secure and they won't let it happen. So that's already in effect. So I would highly recommend you do this. And let's move to the next one. We got what can you do? You have a few options. First one is to start with what I recommend here. And so head over to cloudflare.com, www.cloudflare.com, and sign up for a free account. So you see on the page there at the top, the arrow is sign up there. And then we want to add your website, your domain name that you picked already in video 1. So click and add the site. So you see where it says add site at the top there. So you click up there and then you enter your website. And so I've got mine in there, for example, ourbestidea.com before I made it the same way. And then step 3, begin the scan. Press the little button in the corner. Okay, next after that, you want to go to the top menu bar. You see these little icons here. Click the third one over. It's called DNS, right? So it's domain name server, DNS. And you're going to go into your settings there. And if you're confused about this, you can Google or, Google this or go on YouTube for help. But it's pretty straightforward. You need to copy the Cloudflare DNS that they give you. They'll, in that area we were just back in, they'll pop up and you can copy the name servers that you want to replace in here. So you replace your current name servers with them. And then where you host your domain servers, example GoDaddy, Namecheap. This shot here is in mine in Namecheap. You go to custom DNS. And then you add your the 2. There's 2 of them, so you just add both DNS name servers in there and click save. It takes like 48 to 28 hours to get it up and running. But if you have any trouble, check support, either Cloudflare support getting started, or you can also check your current host if it is Namecheap or you have GoDaddy or whatever you have, right? Okay, so don't fret around there, just get it done. It's simple and it's a must-have option right now. Okay, next step is we've got to go back to your WordPress in the back end again where we had plugins. So now we want to get back in there and we want to look for the really simple SSL plugin. And if you didn't install it, now's the time to get it in there. So check for that, grab it. And then once you install it, or if it's installed already, activate it. Number 2, the third step, wait up to 24 hours, actually sometime to 48, but it's around 12 to 24. And the new DNS will populate, and then you'll see the HTTPS for your site. All right, so the lots of free WordPress themes are available. However, a nice looking mobile responsive theme with a well thought out back end, example, if it's CEO'd already for you or whatever, is worth investing in to help your brand, your hub website, adding more trust and authority. Okay, a free or premium theme. pro theme of some type. Free themes are great to start with if you do not have your budget set up for your business yet. But if you're serious for your long-term business and you have to invest in it, a good place to start is a nice theme that looks good and does the job for you. But again, not essential. It's up to your budget. There is tons of themes out there. Just search for a decent theme in the back end of your WordPress dashboard. And a lot of the themes anyway in there are free, but they have an upgrade to unlock more features and all that. So that's a good way to test around too. And themes are easy to change out. And here's a theme that I use. It's a premium theme. It's called P1 Video Magnet. I bought a few years ago, and I've used it for a couple of clients as well as on a couple of sites I have. I'm using it for some music sites. But it has a lot of stuff already built in it, pop-ups, and everything's kind of thought through for that, so you can add in little things in it. It's quite good. And with a premium theme like that, I actually bought it because it's a cool theme. I bought reseller rights for it, so limited time. I got a $20 discount coupon. If you're interested, you can take a look at that, and you can click the link below to see a demo of that. And then our next step is a WordPress plugins. So I've already mentioned about the other WordPress plugin, SSL, a really simple SSL plugin that we should have installed already. So that's in my recommended plugins. First one is called Jetpack by WordPress. It's a free one made by WordPress, and it does a lot of nice functionalities in there. It has some nice things to speed up your sites with images and a bunch of different options in there. It's quite thorough. But it's pretty easy to use. Lots of information out there how to use it, but I would recommend that. Pretty Links is another free one. They have an upgrade as well, but the free is really good. And what it does is you can, when you're doing affiliate marketing or whatever, you can do two things with it. You can track what's getting clicked and where it's coming from, because you can make your own cloaked link, right? So a cloaked link, if you don't know, it's just a link that you can change it to your site, but you might be sending traffic to affiliate offer. So you just make the link look pretty link. Anyways, worth installing as well. And again, I said really simple SSL, which we should have already set up here. And then we've got Smush, which is just like Smush is shrinking down your images, and that's essential these days for loading your site. So it's good. Another decent one. There's a few of them out there. I found this one to be pretty good overall. And then I would add something like, there's a few of these. There's a free version of this. It's WordFence Security, and what it does is it just protects your site from a lot of hackers and different guys trying to get into there, especially if you're selling stuff on there. You'll get robot hackers trying to get into your site and guess your password and all that. So it blocks out a lot of that stuff. It's really good for that, and gives you tips on when things change inside, or you need upgrades, or all little things like that. Next is a database backup of some kind, right? So you can back up once you set everything up. You obviously want to have a backup, so you can back up with this WP backup database and download or email a copy or whatever once a week, once a month, whatever you want, to send it, so you have a backup of what you'd previously done, hours and hours of work, and then you don't want to lose that, right? Okay, and then a cache plugin of some type. What a cache does, it helps with, again, with your speed and just, flushing out stuff that's old in your cache. If you know what browser cache is, and cache that sits in there for it to come along, and then it loads quicker, but sometimes it gets so much in there, you got to get it out of there. So you want to be able to clear that. And the next essential one is Yoast SEO, and it's one of the better plugins. Again, there's a free and a premium version of this, but the free one, you can do tons of stuff, and you set up your site in there and give Google all the readings it needs. It's got really good setup as well inside each page or post that you do, and you can see it tells you what you need, what you're missing, a bunch of stuff that Google's looking for. So it's a great overall tool just for that alone. There's a lot of options with it, so grab that. And last but not least, It's like Google Analysis WordPress by Monster Insights. That's a mouthful for you. But if you set up Google Analytics, right, which you want to do, you also want to go into Webmasters, but that'd be in future videos. But you want to put in something Google Analytics, because you can tell what's coming to your website, what's happening, you know, how much traffic you're getting, and you got to know that stuff to tweak things out, like what post is getting hit upon better and blah, blah, blah. So you can set up Google Analytics separate, but you can put this plugin and it pulls in all the information right inside your back of your WordPress. So, okay, this is just a few things. There's, there's other ones that depending on the niche you're in and whatever, but I would say if you're doing like affiliate marketing and internet marketing or whatever, these are good plugins to start with and set up. And then we got a page builder plugin of some type you need. So I use InstaBuilder 2, and I also use Optimized Press. InstaBuilder 2 is really, I would highly recommend that. I'll put a link somewhere to that or in the resource section below. But why I recommend that one is it's Optimized Press is good and it looks slick and stuff, but it has a lot of conflicts with some plugins you put in or something else, and none of the ones above. But sometimes there's ones you want to add stuff in, and it's just always conflicting around. Where InstaBuilder has some of that issues, but not near as many, and it's really easy to use, and it just does a great job. And they're always upgrading it, and it's decent for sure. And you need some kind of page builder. These are 2 WordPress plugins that go in the back of your site, right? But you might also get a free online. There's some free page builders out there in the WordPress section as well, that if you don't have money at the start, they're okay to use, right? And to build capture pages, lead pages, all that stuff. Or else there's online sites you can use online, and that works as well, but they're more monthly fees. So best option here is InstaBuilder 2, or get a free one for now. All right, so your assignment, 3 extra easy steps, right? So you want to add, number 1, add the HTTP to your website for free. It's a must. Number 2, set up a WordPress free or paid theme. Check that out. Number 3, add recommended WordPress plugins, including the one you need for number 1, right? And if you need any help or more training, contact me, please, at support@ourbestidea.com, and can help you out, or let me know if you're struggling with something, or can lead you to a video or make one if enough people are looking for help on the same thing. All right. And the next step I would recommend, make sure again, though, you get this stuff done. And the next step would see some bonus training and more in-depth training. This is paid stuff that I would recommend if you, all these videos online, and I'll show you inside in a minute, but you can also go and see my full video review. Just click that red link there and head over there and check it out. All right, so don't let the low price of this fool you. It's packed with value, as you see as well myself, right? You can go check out like more in-depth, like I say, but check it out. You got the WordPress, you got affiliate marketing tab, you got a bunch of things in here, and if you press on one of these tabs, you'll see it drops down, and you can see in the bottom there, Namecheap. You get different hostings options, things we need to do in the beginning. So this is just kind of a time saver, everything's in one place, and you can use it in the future if you're looking for how to set up, emails, get response, add some free stuff even, and a bunch of different things for list building and, YouTube, video marketing, or just tons and tons of stuff, even HTML, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so again, you can see that you need to set it up, get it up and running, all in one place with a one-time low cost. So again, you can go click the link there to see my full video review. Check it out. Okay, and then there also have some more in-depth training if you're into affiliate marketing. Check out this done-for-you system here, and it instantly use this 100% setup. I actually use it for myself, right? to build a hands-free profitable list and start earning autopilot commissions today. So it's great. Inside it, you can, again, I'll do a review on this, or check on my ourbestidea.com/reviews, and I'll get that up there, get it up and running. And right here you have, there's a quick look inside here, just says build a profitable list and earn commissions in any niche. And you can see they've got pre-done stuff for you. They have, I'll go into more depth, like I say, in the video review, but they have like different, you have to go get the affiliate link to some of them, some they give you, a couple of them. There's free to sign up, grab a couple, and you can start marketing stuff, and they give you the landing page, and everything's done for you kind of system, the back end. So it's awesome. And again, don't forget, back to do this all in 2 to 5 hours and get it set up. The 3 first steps in video 1 and the 3 second steps in video 2. You can check out that other stuff if you need any more help, or contact me if you like. And don't overcomplicate things, as we said already. And be sure to visit our site for any training, freebies, reviews, future updates and stuff at ourbestidea.com. Or give us a shout as well at mark@ourbestidea.com if you need any help or anything. You can turn your website into a marketing machine. All right, good luck. Over and out. Talk to you soon. Just get her done.